Hi Asad, I am Biplav speaking, and this is my daily video, daily work list video. Every day, today I open my mail at 9:15 in the morning, and also open my Harvest app from that time. I open my Beta Team Render channel. I look over there, and I saw some tenant rental script over there, and collect it and set my rental file, and also see the video of Shoshanin. I saw that, and I try to understand. If you give me the suggestion about that, then I will work on as well as. So then I go to my Google Drives, and also over there I open my ultimate list and also video task list. Today my schedule work is RSR, so I work on RSR group research work on RSR, and got some product over there, and that products I set it on my ultimate sheet. So you check over here, and also work on KGG. I reply someone mails like Jasmine, and also have another one that is Raja Shahid. I replied him, and he replied me, and collect his phone number and also and others detail. I set it on rental channel over here. Please check out from here. So this is my today's work detail. So please check out all the details. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.